What's up guys, Dassah here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to do this review on this hair right here. You guys, I'm obsessed. Look at this hair. I love this color, you guys. It's an ombre. It's dark at the roots and then it goes to red burgundy at the bottom. You guys, again, look at this part. Look at this scalp, like coming from the scalp. So of course I had to put a little piece behind my ear. Put this over here. You guys know that's my style. You guys, look how long this is. I love the length. I'll show you guys the back. You guys, I'm absolutely obsessed. You guys could do so many different styles to the side. If you guys want a side pony, back ponytail to this side. If you want a bun or like a hair clip. That's my daughter's favorite hairstyle with like the little clip. So versatile. You guys can do so many different styles with this. This is a human synthetic mix. You guys can use your hot tools, straighten it, curl it, whatever you guys want. I think I'm gonna leave it just like this because I just love how it already comes with like a little curl at the bottom. I think that's so pretty. So I really don't have to do much with it, but you guys, let me know what you guys think about this in the comment box below. I will also leave the link to it if you guys are interested in purchasing your own. But you guys, I'm super obsessed. Like, I think it's so pretty. I did do an unboxing portion of the video, so if you guys would like to see that, stay tuned at the end. I will show you guys how the wig looks on the inside. The lace, I did already cut the lace and everything, so I'm just loving how it came out. But if you want to see how it looks right straight out the box, stay tuned for that. But yeah, look, I could run my fingers right through it. Oh, the quality is amazing. And I do believe that this length is around, I want to say it's like 26 inches, but you guys know me, when I get my wigs, I love the long length. I just feel like it just suits me. I just really love it. I do love that it's ombre. You guys can see the dark here and it goes light to the bottom. And just get into this quality. Look at this. Like, this is such good quality. I love how some of it's curled, some of it's a little bit straight. I think that this wig would definitely last a long time. This is gonna be my go-to color right now. You guys, I switch between like black and different colors, but I think burgundy will always be like my favorite. I just love it on me. So yeah. Okay, so this is the unboxing portion of the video. So you guys see the boxing. It says the Stylist Invisible Lace HD, the 13x6 pre-plucked 100% human hair mastered blend. You guys, I love this. It has transparent HD lace. I just love the packaging. You guys, look at the back. All the information: realistic natural hairline, baby hair, transparent lace, pre-plucked, multi-free parting. Look at this, you guys. So good. So this is the second or third wig I've gotten from this line, and I think that this is my favorite wig line ever. Like, their wigs are amazing. Go ahead and take the hair out. So once you do open the box, it has this little card. Look how cute this is. So the style name is Taste. It's in the color OET1B Burgundy. I got the burgundy black just in time for summer, you guys. It's such a cute wig. I'm gonna show you guys how the wig looks. So you guys, here is the wig right here. Look at this color. I'm obsessed. The burgundy. So do you see the dark roots to the burgundy bottom? I love the ombre, dark to light. I brushed it out a little bit with the brush, and you guys, the quality is amazing. Look at this scalp, you guys. So it has the middle part. It does have free parting, so you guys can part it anyway. It doesn't have to be a middle part. It could be side part. It could be all the way brushed back. You could do whatever you want. But like, look at my hand underneath the lace. It's literally invisible lace, you guys. Lace from ear to ear. The lace goes all the way down, as you guys can see. And then you guys do see it has the adjustable strap right here. There is a comb at the bottom. It does have the combs at the top. There's one, let's see, right here. This side right here. And you guys do see how deep the lace goes inside the wig. So like I said, you could part it any which way you want. Very well made, you guys. The quality is amazing. We're going to try it on. And aside from the adjustable strap, you guys, it also has this band right here, as you guys can see. And that makes it be even more secure on your head, which I love. So as always, if you guys are interested in this, check the description. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.